Good morning, internet. Today's video, we are going to Bahra Desert. We're gonna try there for the first time with the T2 group here in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Um, yeah, it's our first time to go there and see if the place is better than Daban. We used to drive in Daban couple of times, but someone suggested to visit the Bahra Desert. So hopefully we're gonna enjoy there with a T2 user. So far we are 4, and there'll be more coming. So we're gonna teach them today the basic sand off-roading. Okay, filling up our gas. So we have 20 minutes left before reaching the inflation point. It's kind of near in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. It's around about 45 minutes away from Jeddah. Okay, I can see the boys now. Just line up over here. It's so good to see them. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Right. Alright. The day has come. Medyo English tayo ngayon kasi English yung ano ko eh. Salam. Salam.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ate, good morning. It's good to see you. Alright. Okay. So ano, ready na? Uwi tayo. Alright. Kulang tayo isa pero sasama daw yun next. Ano, magandang ilaw ko, no? Ganito lang, may day running light yan. Ganda.
Dito bro, hindi mo lalagyan?
Parang hindi.
Hindi na.
Pagka magna-night drive na tayo, maglalagay ako. Pero pag hindi pa, okay na.
Yung parang kasi yata i-upgrade na gano'n.
Hey, easy boy, easy boy. So this is our lineup for today. We are 4. This is Art G-Tour. Okay. Followed by Jimboy and Bio. Okay, let's go ahead. Tara na, para makauwi tayo na alas 5 ng hapon. Photo. Alright, meron tayong photo. Kita ba kami, ate? Right, si ate ang videographer natin ngayon, ha? Let's go! So, it's 6:05 in the morning. We are aiming to reach the destination, the inflation point at 6:30 in the morning. So, I think it's just right on time. Before the sun up, we're gonna start the drive. Ready na? Mapapalaban tayo. Maganda ate, di ba? Maluwang.
Ano siya?
Maluwang dito.
Tapos parang may paikot pa to sa likod ng bundok eh.
We're just gonna watch out to the fences, oh. May mga barbed wire eh. Pero banda ron, parang malinis na siya.
Kasi parang palaging everyday may activity.
Look at that. For G-Tour T2. Alright, so this is our lineup for today. We're gonna take our the lead, followed by Bio and Jimboy. And at the back is Kuya Art. He's gonna do the sweeper. Kuya Art, ikaw ang sweeper, ah?
Yes.
Alright. May panghata ka ba? Yun lang.
Pagwalis lang.
Yun lang.
Meron. Hawak-hawak kami na.
Ano yan? Ano sa ilog? Alright, ano si ate? Siyempre, ano natin. Ang videographer natin mamaya yan si ate. Pero maglalagay, may mga GoPro ba kayo nakalagay o camera? Si Bio meron eh. May dashcam si Bio. So, the first thing we need to do is to deflate our tires. We're gonna start deflating our tires to 15 psi, but later on, let's see the condition of the sand so we can deflate more. But for now, we're gonna deflate our tires to 15 psi. So, so we have video.
Napupunta rin pala sa TV.
Ah. Okay. So of course, meron tayo dito ng yung deflate anong tawag dito, tire gauge. Very important. So we're using manual deflator. Magkano lang to? This is just 5 real, no? 5 real. You can get it in any car accessories. So more important ito, tire gauge. So digital one, we're using digital one para accurate. So basic yan. Before you go off-road, you have to deflate your tires. At least in the desert, we normally deflate our tires at 15 psi or lower. So if we are playing like newbie drive, pinaka-safe yung 15 psi pababa. But it depends. Sometimes the condition of the sand, pagka loose sand talaga, we deflate down to 12 psi. So that's the safest air sa ating mga gulong. So ito, we're just gonna put here. So slowly, when you have the bulb, you're just gonna hold it like this. And then from time to time, check nyo siya kung anong PSI. So 29. So every like 2 to 3 seconds, you have to check. So open it again. Target natin is 15 psi, so medyo kabisado ko na yung ano, so mga around 10 seconds. Alright, so marunong na. Ito, wala pang deflator, oh. Tandaan nyo pag... Ay, meron na pala!
Kaso wala ako ano.
Hindi,
Bibili
oh.
pa lang ako.
Ito, hindi. Mamaya na ako, mabilis lang ako eh. Ito muna. Tsaka isang gulong lang di-deflate ko para makauwi ka agad ako. Yan. Alam mo na, wag tanggal ha. Wag mo susobrahan.
Yep.
Alright, so we just teach them how to deflate their tires. You know, tire gauge and yung makakabisado niya na rin yan. Ganda ng ano, sticker, oh. Ah. Dami kang kaway dyan. Yan. Dapat sentro, bro. Dapat sentro sa bulb. Hindi nakaganon. Dapat sentro para hindi masira yung bulb mo. Yan. Okay na yan. Okay na yan. Kung paano. First, you're gonna remove the bulb all the way. Diba? Hindi na natin kailangan ng mga ano. Hindi na natin kailangan ng mga automatic na tire deflator. Oo, mas mabilis to. And then from time to time, like I said, you have to check 24. Couple of seconds, okay na yan. Okay, here's more important. Naka-on natin. Here's more important during the off-road. T2, Jetour T2 has sun settings for this. So if you don't set it properly, that's the reason why you're getting the gearbox issue, overheating issue. It's not actually overheating issue. It's just a matter of proper settings. So during the off-road, these are the options that you need to pay attention and you need to follow when you go off-road. So since we are doing the off-road in the sand, so first thing is we have to click this off-road radiation, disable the ASP. Okay, this too, more important. And the next one is you go to local settings, you go to vehicle. Okay, go to assisted driving. So you have to turn this off. Have to turn this off, and then safety warning. You don't have to do anything, and this is more important as well. If this is on, your car during the off-road is just keep on beeping. Means this is radar, so he's sensing the lower, obstructions or something. So this needs to be off. Again, going back, safety warning, nothing to be done. Active safety, this is like the ABS, so you need to turn this off, otherwise it will cut the power during the off-road. And then that's it. Disable ASP off-road. And then for the options, you have to dial it to mud. Okay, as you can see, there's no sand here, but when you dial to the mud, you can see here mud, sand, deep snow, sandy. So this is the proper options for the sand. So you have to, and then you're gonna use, we're not going to use D drive for this activity, so we're gonna use all the way M1 or M2. M1 if you are running slow, and if a little bit fast, like in the flat surface, you have to ship it to M2. So you have the paddle shifter here. This is the plus, okay, and this is the minus. So it's up to you. You can use here, but basically we're not running more than 80 km in the desert, so M1 is always the best option during the off-road. So that's it. Ready, guys?
Yes.
Ready. Okay.
Go.
Oh, yan, ito yung namin, yung big geographer namin, nakita niyo naman, di ba? Siya muna. Okay, have fun. Alright, it's all set. So, we're gonna go ahead. So, good morning, and good morning, Internet. We are here today in Bahra Desert, no? It's a Bahra. Ay, pagka Arabic medyo,
Uwi na ako.
yeah. Bahra Desert. Oh, ang ganda rito. It's our first time to be here, and we gonna cruise around. Let's see if this is also good for camping. It seems good. Okay, we gonna do the safety briefing. More important before doing this is the safety briefing. Okay, so I'm gonna assign the lineup. So I'll take the lead. I'll take the second lead for Jimboy since medyo mas less drive siya. So alalayan muna natin siya. And then eventually, we will swap the convoy. Hanggang sa itatry natin kung sino yung pwede mag-sweeper din, ganon. So magsa-swap tayo. We're gonna just do the newbie drive and teach you the basic off-roading like yung straight crest, side sloping. Yan yung mga paborito ni Jibio, side sloping. Sliding daw. Okay, we're gonna do more sliding, pero we're gonna take care of it because our tire is deflated and 15 PSI, so medyo risky yon. So fighting the gravity is not ideal or is not recommended at this time. So yon, I'll take the lead. Jimboy's second lead, followed by Bio, and then our sweeper is Kuya Art. So basically in off-roading, more important is the distance. Okay, we have to maintain the 2 to 3 cars distance. If you are too far away from 2 to 3 cars distance, you catch up and then maintain the distance. Okay, and then if you think you are too close, you have to adjust yourself also. So adjust everyone, and more important also, another important is pay attention to the radio. Okay, this is our communication. This is where you receive all the instructions. Tapos, if it happen that you get stuck, okay, somewhere, you have to grab your radio and say your name that you are stuck. So, balikan namin kayo and then i-recover namin kayo. Don't try to recover by yourself because you don't see what's happening around. So, yun ang pinaka-importante. When you get stuck, don't push it, stop, put it in the P drive and call for the rescue. And then another one is when we go side sloping, okay, more important, you have to pay attention when we are doing the side sloping,
if you think your car is drifting too much, so means the gravity is there, so you don't have to fight it. Ganun lang, you have to turn the wheel towards to the gravity. As kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo last time. And then we gonna teach you also the straight crest. More importante rin kasi yung mga straight crest eh. So yun yung mga maneuver na gagawin natin ngayon. So ayun. Yun lang, pinaka-importante yung safety, yung safe distance, at saka don't fight the gravity. Yun yung kalaban natin dito sa desert. Never fight the gravity, and wag tayo mag-turn ng sharp. If you have enough speed and you turn sharp, most likely your tire will gonna pop out. Okay, so we have to be careful on the sharp turn. If you are turning, make sure you don't have enough speed. Okay, and also when we go up and then you are descending down, no more speed. Okay, no more speed. So to avoid the disaster. Okay, so here in the desert, we don't need so much speed. Okay, what we need is more controls of your vehicle and more controls on the power. So that's how you're going to learn the proper off-roading. So, ayun, good luck. Ready na ba lahat?
Yes, yes.
Ate, ready ka na? Ready na si ate?
Ayan.
Oh, busy siya eh. So, alright, so let's go.
Nakaano na nga ako.
Hindi pa naman ako makaano pag multitasking, yung nag-video.
Ang hirap ng trabaho niya eh.
Ang hirap din yan eh.
Binigyan ka ngayon ng trabaho kasi absent ka nakaraan. Magaling
Si ate, si
Art.
ate.
Pinalano niya talaga, di ba, bro?
Kuya Arte.
Ba't matuwi yung
Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and let's start the off-roading. Tingin sa ilalim ng side mirror. Okay, slow down. Good speed. Ganun lang, ganyan lang. Slow down. There you go. Basic.
Ano naman?
Go, just drop it. Nice one.
Grabe, ganda.
Mababa pa yan. Gatuhod lang ng pato yan. Mamaya tayo may matataas pa. Good job, Kuya Art. Yan. Slow down. Sa mga ganyan, kailangan gapang lang. O, diba? Nice.
Ganda.
Walang bitaw ha, walang bitaw. Walang bibitaw. Gas more. Yan. Sige, laban naman konti. Alright. Slow down. Gas. Yan! Ayos. Nice one, nice one.
Ano, ganda ron ha, dami ron.
Nice one, nice one.
Ganda.
Laban mo biyo konti. Wala eh. Medyo mababa.
Mababa.
Taas mo konti, taas. Kay Art. O yan, tapos gas. Uy. Galing. Pambira, mga extreme. Galing nun sa'yo. Ang galing nun sa'yo. Biyo, isa pa! Hindi ka
Hindi ba mabilis yun, kaya hindi nag-splash siya?
Mabilis ka.
Mabilis no?
Then saka tawag dito, dapat medyo i-slow down mo. I-slow mo muna ng konti, tapos pag ginas mo siya, mabibitin siya eh. Baya, ganun siya. Mag-skid siya ng konti. Go. Sige, lapit, Bio. Sige, tuloy-tuloy yan, tuloy-tuloy. Basta ang experience mo, Brad?
Okay naman.
Hindi, English. Si Bio. Nice one. Si Bio. Pasensya na. Go. Okay, up. Yan, sige, then gas. Yeah! Nice one.
Sobra yata yung gas ko ah.
Hindi, okay lang. Nice one. Tayo ng proper controlling before sakay yung mga anak nyo at saka yung asawa nyo. Kasi pag pare-pareho kayong may kaba, so ikaw kasi pag halimbawa may pasahero ka, kinakabahan kasi ikaw hindi mo rin alam paano gagawin. So nandun, nadadagdagan. So kaya ang purpose, thank you kuya, ang purpose ng ginagawa natin is train muna tayo and then later on, pag pupunta tayo sa camping, hindi tayo mag-drive ng ganun, kasama sila. Okay na kayo? Hindi tayo mag-drive ng ganun na kasama sila kasi matatakot sila doon. So, pero yung papasok tayo sa desert, you know how to handle them. Alam mo kung paano yung maneuver yung sasakyan mo, alam mo kung paano yung control yung sasakyan mo. So, that's good enough para hindi rin sila kabahan. So, ganun.
Pero paano pag
Okay, good question. Just in case you fall on both sides. Halimbawa, naramdaman mo, nahulog ka na sa kanan, you have to commit. You don't just stop there kasi
Huwag mo bawiin.
No, kasi fighting the gravity. Bigay mo na doon. Kung saan siya nahulog, you have to always remember. Dito sa desert, ganun yung thinking natin. Not yung avoid fighting the gravity. Kasi, di ba nakita nyo kanina, kaya ako kayo pinadaan doon sa kasyang-kasya ng sasakyan nyo. So you have to be focused. Kasi, tawag dito, magkamali ka mag-deviate ka ng 2 to 3 meters to the left and right, hulog ka talaga. So, paano i-overcome yung mga ganun? Just in case. Ilagay nyo lang lagi sa isip nyo. Just in case nahulog kayo sa isang side na yun, you just commit. Mas maganda na masibakan ka ng bumper kaysa gumulong ka. Kasi pag gumanong ka tapos huminto ka lang, paano kung stiff yun? Diretso yun. Kung halimbawa nahulog ka, nagulat ka, nahulog sa kanan o kaliwa, nagulat ka, ikabig mo na doon, tapos gasan mo, pababa, and then you connect the contour. Ganun lang. Alright, so this is our second stop. The guys are just enjoying their time. Guys are enjoying their time. They love it here actually. So, ganun din ako. I like here because it's like similar to Dubai. It's not that high, but you know, good enough for newbie drives. Alright, we're gonna go ahead. Okay, we're passing to the campers. Tignan mo siya, oh. Ganun lang. Napakasimple lang ng buhay niya.
Mahal yun, yung nasa na yun.
Nasa mga 7,000 yan. Yan, sige, labanan mo ng konti. Okay. One by one tayo.
Kinana natin.
Position ka, sige ko. Kung kaya mo itaas ng konti, mas okay pa yan. Yan, pwede na dyan. Okay na dyan, bro. Kanan na, kanan na, kanan na. Yan, basic yan.
Oh?
Nice one. Okay. Woo! Okay, next view. Ito naman. Diba? Magagamay nyo na yung mga ganon. View. Tingnan view. Yan. Good momentum. Nice. Nicely done, bro.
Ganda tignan.
Nicely done, bro. Okay, Kuya Art is next. Maghanap tayo na mas mataas ang konti. Proper momentum, yan ang key sa mga ganyang side slope na matataas. Nice one. What about reverse, guys? Reverse mo naman. That's a challenge.
Reverse pa gana?
Yes, reverse.
Okay.
Para masanay kayo ng left and right, reverse. Reverse naman. Oh, reverse naman, reverse. Same momentum, same track. Nice. Slow down. Easy. Easy. Good job, good job, good job. It's your turn, Bio. Control lang control. Nicely done. Ba? Binibigyan pa ng konting pakamot ni Bio eh. Oh, Kuya Art's turn. Go. Kuya Art, good approach. Good approach. Slowly. 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 Yes. Okay.
Ba't ganun? Parang pag dito na, ano na?
Nice one. Ha?
Mababa man siya.
Pa-reverse?
O parang easy na lang.
Ano sabi mo?
Kasi dito masarap eh, mahaba eh. Dito, ano?
Mas maganda yung short kasi minsan pag mag-short tayo tapos switch ka agad. So, yun din yung isang purpose. Oh, may drone, no? Drone mo yun?
Yan?
Nice one, guys. Go, 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 go. Sige, lapit, Bio. Sige, tuloy-tuloy yan, tuloy-tuloy. All right. Slow down. Gas. Yan! Ayos. Nice one, nice one.
Ano, ganda rin ha, dami nun.
Nice one, nice one.
Ganda.
Laban mo Bio konti. Wala eh. Medyo mababa.
Mababa.
Taas mo konti, taas. Kay Art. O, yan. Tapos gas. Uy. Galing. Pambira, mga extreme. Galing nun sa'yo. Ang galing nun sa'yo. Bio, isa pa! Hindi ka
Hindi ba mabilis yun kaya hindi nag-splash?
Mabilis ka.
Mabilis no?
Then saka tawag dito, dapat medyo slow down mo. Slow mo muna ng konti, tapos pag ginas mo siya, mabibitin siya eh. Baya ganun siya. Mag-skid siya ng konti. Basta ang experience mo, Brad?
Okay naman.
Hindi, English.
Okay na.
Sibyo. Nice one. Sibyo. Position. Kailangan medyo bibitinin mo yung power, tapos pagka maglo-loose na siya, saka magbibigyan ng power. Okay. Alright, position. Yung paahon, okay lang yon. Pero pag nasa taas ka na, bibitinin mo yung power. Go. Okay, up. Yan, sige. Then, gas. Yeah! Nice one.
Sobra yata yung gas ko ah.
Hindi, okay lang. Nice one. Hanggang dito lang muna. Ganyan lang. Tapos, pag pababa, wala nang speed. Control your speed, guys. No more speed. Okay. Hold on ha, bababa ako. Okay, on my mark, go. Go. Nice one. You're up, yo.
Okay.
It's okay. Reverse lang yan, reverse. All the way straight, reverse. Reverse lang, boyo. Sige. Pag gumalaw, tapakan mo pa. Yan. Unfortunately, straight, bro. Huwag kang pupunta sa dinaanan mo kanina. Straight lang. All the way down. Straight lang, all the way down. Medyo nabitin ka ng power kanina dito. So, from here kay Kuya Art, dapat may power na. Sige, atras ka dito sa side ni Kuya Art. All the way down, bro. Stand by, Kuya Art. Okay lang yon para magamay nyo yung power nyo. At least alam nyo kung paano dagdagan. Sige, dyan pa lang. On the floor na. All the way up. Sige. Nice. Good job. Yan. Dito pa lang sa baba may power na dapat. Slow down. Nice. Okay, Bio. You're up. Alam mo na yan. Pag nag-second gear siya, mas lalo mo siyang tapakan. Go.
Naka-drive pala ako.
Ayun. Nag-automatic. Maafi automatic. Miskala.
Hindi ko yata na-switch sa manual kanina.
Ayun. Kaya ka nabitin. No? Ngayon, hindi na yan. Okay. Okay, all the way up yan, bro. Tapak na dyan. Sige, gawa ka ng fresh rack mo. Ano, ahon, no? Bumibitaw. Sige, sapa.
Nasagi ko yung plus.
Sige, sapa. One more time. Sige, dyan, banat na dyan. Huwag kang mag-sharp turn. Yeah, yan. Maganda na yung momentum. Go. All the way up. Oh, di ba? Basic ang bay. Basic yan, bay.
Iningatan ko na yung plus.
Napipindot daw, bro. Napipindot. Oh, gawin nyo naman reverse.
Sige.
Yung may bumps na yun, ingat lang. Okay. Nice one. Nice. Good job. Nice one, Jimboy. Nice approach. May bumps dyan ha, sa taas. Slow down a little bit. Yes. Nice job. Slow down. Good job, man. Okay, all the way up. Sino sinasabing nagi-gearbox issue ang ang T2? Wala. Down, wheel down. Okay. No problem. Okay, reverse lang yan, Kuya Art. Reverse to your left. Sige, pag gumalaw, pag gumalaw. It's okay. Slow down. Reverse, okay, yan. Steering straight lang, maintain the momentum all the way down. It's okay. Nangyayari yan. So this is how you gonna control your power. Malalaman nyo kung paano i-control yung power dito sa mga ganyang terrain.
Pag ganun ko,
Di ba? Galing.
ano?
Di ba? Ang ganda ng momentum mo. Kuha na yan. Wheel down, kuya. Wheel down. Okay, good down. O, di ba? Maglulus ng sand dyan, ha. Tapos baba. Slow down, pababa. Drive. Yon. Wag niyong tatanggalin yung power.
Okay.
Do not let go of the power, guys, kasi maghihinto kayo na ganun. Okay? Mag-drive pa rin kayo, mag-gas pa rin kayo pagbaba, pakaliwa.
Ano ba?
Okay. Bro, mag-gas pakaliwa, ha. Wag hihinto, ha. One more, sige.
Copy.
Next level na yan. Go all the way up. Wag mag-let go, ha. Okay. Down, descend. Slow down. Nice. Smooth.
Tama ba yun?
Tama yun, bro.
Maganda.
Ulitin ni Jimboy kasi huminto siya kanina. Delikado yun. So, let's correct it. Kuya Art, you're up. So, Kuya Art, wag ka mag-let go ng gas, ha. Unless naka-straight na yung car mo pababa. Okay, good momentum. Gas pa. And then let go, pababa. Baba, wag kang hinto. Gas, tapak ng gas. Sige, tapak. Good. Like I said earlier, okay lang nakabahan kayo pero dapat wag kayong hihinto.
Stop ka ba?
Oo, minto si Kuya Art eh. Nakinabahan siya, okay lang yon. Pero kailangan talaga, sabi ko sa inyo, you do not let go of the gas. Okay? One more, kailangan natin i-correct yun, guys, ha?
Tansyahin na lang.
Basta wag kayong magle-let go ng gas pag pababa kasi soft sand yan. Okay lang yon, kailangan natin i-correct. That's good. Sige, bro. Pag pababa lang, kagaya nung ginawa ni Vio kanina, saka lang siya nag-let go nung nandito na siya, malapit na siya sa baba. Pero yung nandun ka pa sa side, kailangan may power ka pa rin. Kuha lang ng momentum. Basta wag kang mag-let go ng gas. Okay? And then, yan, 'di ba? Okay na. Slow down pababa. Okay na, di ba? Na-correct na. Oh, na-correct na. Kuya Art, observe ha, observe.
Okay.
Okay yun. Yon. Oh, wag magle-let go. Ganun pa rin. Nang gas Kuya Art ha. Sige, and then descend down. There. 'Di ba? Mas maganda. Corrected na. First natin.
Galing.
So, medyo tricky yung pa-reverse. So, wag na muna. Bio. Tapak yan, tapak. Yan. Pag nabibitin na ganon, i-descend nyo na sa kanan. Wag na pataas. Okay, Kuya Art.
Contour yung gasolina.
Pag nawawala na yung gas, iliko nyo na sa kanan. Nice. Talagang laban.
May sakay pa yan ha.
Okay, Video Boy. Okay lang yan. Good job.
Yo!
Okay na, dali na. Dito sa kanan na. Ayan. Nice one, bro. Alright, saan tayo mag-i-inflate? Try natin dito. Alright, once again guys.
Baka bukas na yung sa labasan banda.
Okay, sige, punta tayo doon. Okay guys, that's much about it. Thank you for watching. We had so much fun in this desert. I think we're gonna go back. We're gonna go back again here soon, very soon. We saw it. It's good for camping as well, and especially for off-roading. So my friends here, Bio, Jimboy, and Kuya Art, has really had fun. Tuwan-tuwa sila. So we teach them the basic. Actually, it's not a basic. It's more like advanced. Yeah. You see the videos, and thank you very much to Ate Ann. Salamat sa pag-support mo sa amin, taking the videos. And before I forgot, a huge shout out to Qatar Off-Road Group, Filipino Qatar Off-Road Group, Xterra Off-Road Group, dyan sa Qatar. Maraming salamat. Shout out sa inyo mga boss. Hopefully one day we had this collaboration drive. Hopefully. So yep, we had fun here in Bahara Desert. Hopefully we'll come back here very soon. We'll definitely come back here very soon. So it's good for camping, it's good especially for off-roading. Ayan, dito kuya. Sige na, pasok tayo. So guys, we're out safe and sound. How's the experience, Kuya Art?
It was lots of fun, loads of
Fun?
fun, lots of sliding, and we get stuck. I get stuck because
Okay, it's normal.
I
yeah?
put it in drive instead of manual M1.
It's normal, di ba?
So I did not see it, and then I got stuck. But it was fun, and it's more technical than the previous drive that we have. So it's more advanced, and it's a good experience.
Much better here, right? In
Much
Bahara?
better. Oh, so much better.
Yeah.
So much
It's
better.
much wider.
I
and
think
much...
we still have to go around the mountain, and we still have
Next
more.
time. Parang gusto niya. So far, good experience si Kuya Art. So, good. So, what about you, Bio? How's the experience?
Tagalogin ko na lang.
Oh, siyempre.
Hindi ko akalain na ganito pala yung magiging experience ko. Ang purpose ko lang dati sa G-Tour, mag-drive eh.
Oh.
Bonus na tong na-experience natin
Pero
itong
ganda, no?
off-road. Oo. Thank you.
Kamusta
kay...
yung ano bro? Kamusta yung performance ng
Yung performance-wise, napakalakas ng G-Tour. Yung driver lang talaga, kailangan
Malakas ang loob.
oo, malakas ang loob, saka dapat sanay sa mga ganitong mga sitwasyon.
Pang ilang drive mo na to bro?
Pangatlo yata.
Pangatlo,
Dalawa
di
dun
ba?
sa ano.
Pero
Oo.
pakita natin sa kanila yung mga ginawa nating drive. So, sa third drive, medyo advanced na yun eh, no?
Mm.
Pero, pinakamatindi niyan, ito.
Oo, nga.
Second drive, di ba? Pero considering as is your first drive, kasi newbie, last time, hindi naman masyadong drive yun eh. So, kamusta yung newbie drive ng Camp and Drive dito sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia?
Nabigla ako rito kasi ang taas eh, di ba? Hindi tulad doon sa nilalaruan natin.
Tataas, no?
Hindi naman namin magagawa to kundi dahil sa
Siyempre, nandun na yun.
sa master namin.
Pero how's the
David.
experience overall?
Wala, ang ganda. Yung mga hindi mo akalain na kaya pa na mapapanik, kaya palang panikin.
Kaya, di ba?
Kahit
G-Tours.
na yung nakatagilid na yung sakya mo, bahala na. Pero saya eh, pagka yung binigay mo ganon.
Pero ang galing, di ba?
Galing,
Yung
galing.
experience saka yung natutunan kasi natin yung safe driving. Pero more on, magugulat kayo dun sa performance ng mga sasakyan niya, no?
Oo,
Maybe,
lakas.
okay, the driver is there, andun na rin yung skills ng driver. Pero the car itself, capable talaga, di ba? Papakita natin sa kanila yung mga kuha natin, mga video natin.
Panoorin nyo na lang yung video namin.
Oh, di ba?
Akalain nyo na parang kami ba yung nag-drive noon? Grabe yun.
Magpaalam ka na sa basketball, basketball
Wala na.
activity.
Wala na.
Off-road na siya.
Okay na.
Off-road na siya.
Oy,
So-
idadagdag ko lang, naka-stock tires pa tayo.
Oo, di ba?
Si Master lang yung hindi naka-stock, tayo naka-stock eh.
Stock pa rin yun, pero imagine mo, we are doing the off-road stock car, di ba?
Stock car, yeah.
Tapos kanina yung mga ginawa natin na mga maneuver, it's not easy for newbie, but then kayo nga, di ba, ilang drive pa lang kayo, 3, 2?
Tatlo.
So, masyadong malalakas ang loob nyo, but at the same time, sabi ko nga, we will bring up the level of the drive according to the face of yung facing ng mga driver. So far, ang ganda ng facing eh. So kasi yung sand dito, parang nagulat ako, tinan mo naman yung surroundings, so hindi naman ganun kaaya-aya, pero pag pumasok ka sa loob, fine sand, di ba? Walang masyadong trucks ng mga sasakyan, di ba? Walang mga masyadong trucks. So bro, is this gonna be your first and last or ano,
No,
paano?
hindi, kahit 2 weekly tayo. Hindi, idagdag ko lang siguro yun sa ganitong situation, sa ganitong off-road. Hindi biro ang paglalaro ng ganito. Pero nasalit talaga. Kasi kanina, bumili ba ako kay Aldrin. Iniikot niya muna, binasag niya muna yung ano, 'di ba? So nandun yung iniingatan niya yung mga
That's the purpose. That's the purpose. To show you how to do it. You know, to show you how to do it, hindi yung ako na tapos sunod na kagad kayo, no, it's not like that. So pero overall experience natin, bro, ang ganda ng performance. At saka sabi ko nga sa inyo, mag-enjoy kayo sa G-Tour. And for those of you having the G-Tour and hearing those, complain that the gearbox is overheating, it's not true, guys. It's not true, guys.
Never experienced. How many
Yeah,
hours?
we drive for how
Almost
many
3
hours? We didn't even have that overheating issues. Come on, guys.
And we are new. Huh? The car is new for us. We didn't experience it.
Pero definitely, gagawin natin to from time to time, di ba?
Every week.
Every week, nagpaalam na ba kayo sa mga asawa nyo?
Yun na, kailangan pa na approve.
Uy, shoutout niyo yung mga asawa nyo.
Shoutout pala sa asawa ko, Karen.
Karen, Karen,
oh.
hindi pa siya nagpapaalam.
Shoutout kay Lisel.
Yan.
Yung sunod na yung baby natin, kasama ko na
Yan. Shoutout.
sa off-road sunod.
Ate, shoutout natin yung nagbibideo ngayon, si Ate Ann. Ano?
Shoutout.
Pakita natin.
Yan, videographer.
Ate Ann, thank you very much.
Anytime.
Ayun, di ba? Okay. Alright, guys. So, maganda, masaya. It's a good weekend. Ang pinakamahalaga sa lahat is lumabas tayo ng walang mga damage sa sakyan natin. Nag-kiss yung mga skid plate kasi pinatikim natin ngayong konti.
Oo nga eh.
Yan. Pero sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, di ba? Ako munang babasag, tapos kayo wala na yun. Latak na lang yun. So, nakita nyo naman kung gaano katibay yung ilalim ko, di ba?
Oo,
So,
parang wala nangyari.
Gusto lang namin banggitin na yung mga orders nyo para parating na. Okay. Alright, guys. Ate Ann, salamat and shout out sa lahat ng mga off-roaders, sa lahat ng mga Pilipino dito sa Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. Kung meron kayong mga kaibigan dyan na mga naka-G-Tour, join us. Or even not G-Tour, guys, you are welcome to this group. Camp and Drive, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia edition. Diba?
Alright.
Alright.